Hi, I'm Phil Andrews, and welcome to Oliver Travel Trailers. Whether you're bringing your Oliver in for service or taking delivery, we want you to be comfortable here at Oliver Travel Trailers. That's why we've built 7 campsites out here at our Oliver Campground with full hookups, water and electric. We also have a dump station for your convenience. There's plenty of lighting and even picnic tables at each site. To reserve one of Oliver Travel Trailers campsites, be sure to call ahead to check for availability. We're excited to see you at Oliver Travel Trailers. Travel safe. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel on YouTube and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and at olivertraveltrailers.com. Hopefully we'll see you soon.